sprechen mit, sprechen über oder sprechen von. Many verbs in German are used with specific prepositions. Some verbs have more prepositions, some have only one. Let's see how many do you know. Hello everyone and welcome to Learn German. In our January special, that is the 15-day challenge, you get a new topic every day to test your German knowledge. Today's topic is Verben mit Präpositionen. There will be 20 verbs and you have to tell which preposition matches the verb. Verben mit Präpositionen. See the verb and you will have 5 seconds to tell the preposition that goes along with it. For example, beginnen, beginnen mit. After 5 seconds, the answer will be displayed. So, let's begin. Abhängen. Antworten. Verzichten. Verbinden. Passen. Suchen. Schmecken. Hören. Sich interessieren. Liegen. Sich fürchten. Helfen. Einladen. Gratulieren. Sich beziehen. Sich konzentrieren. Träumen. Telefonieren. Verfügen. Protestieren. And this was the last one. How many did you get correct? Do let us know in the comments. Just like all other videos in this series, for the patrons there won't be any transcript, summary, extra worksheet or podcast. However, by becoming a $5 patron, you can get an early access to this video. Hope you enjoyed this lesson. To practice what you have learned, become a patron free of cost and download a free worksheet from our page on patreon.com. All links can be found below in the description. You can also gain access to our transcripts by becoming a $1 patron and to our podcasts by becoming a $5 patron. Danke! Thanks for watching this video. If you liked this video, do give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you still haven't. You can click on the bell to receive notifications whenever we upload a new video. If you have any comments or questions, you can leave them in the comments section below. Tschüss! Auf Wiedersehen!